Hey everybody, welcome to another baseball card break with Matt. Today, guys, we have something special to open up. These are 2021 Diamond Kings baseball packs, guys. These are the first of the line edition right here, guys. These are a little harder to find. Found these at my local hobby shop. You're not going to find these at like Walmart and places like that right there. These is a hobby thing, guys. This is first off the line packs, guys. So let me go ahead and show you those odds out there for you guys that like to see those odds. You might hold that up there for a couple seconds. You guys can go ahead and pause that right there. All right, so let me go ahead and get it started, guys. There is high chances to pull autographs here, guys. So he has them on his shelf. It is the hobby box, and it's full of the packs right there. And it says it's guaranteed to be like, I think 3 to 4 autographs in each one of those hobby boxes, guys. These packs right here cost me $20 a piece, guys. These aren't the regular like these we're going to open later on the channel. We got these right here, guys, the Diamond Kings baseball hanger boxes right here. We got a couple of these from Walmart the other day, but like I said, these are the special packs, first of the line. So let's go ahead and start opening up these two and see what we can find. Hopefully we can get an autograph this time, guys. So I'm really excited about opening these. I just want to be super careful and open these with my scissors just in case there's something really good in these, guys. Like I said, these are the first off the line. So here we go. Start us off right there. Got good old Pete Rose. That's a nice card right there, guys. Here we go. We got Shane McClanahan rookie card. That's pretty nice right there. I like that. We got Ty Cobb. It's really nice. Uh-oh, we got a hit. We got a Paul Molitor Bat Kings card, guys. Check that out right there. That is awesome. So, Paul Molitor Bat Kings card. That is awesome. Gotta love those right there. Panini is coming with that fire here lately, too, guys. Like, I'm starting to kind of like Panini cards better than the licensed Topps ones. Here we go. We got the Art of Hitting, Ty Cobb. Who's we got a rookie of? We got Jared Olivia rookie card. That's real nice right there, guys. Some new names starting to come out already. And the last one is a debut Diamond Kings of Drew Rasmussen right there, guys. So really nice cards. I'm telling you, man. Panini could secure that licensing deal. It would be just off the chain, man. Like, I think I would just pass on some of the Topps cards. Look at that. First pack, already got that. That's a piece of his bat. Let's see if it says anything. It says, enclosed is game worn or used material is guaranteed by Panini America. So, that's awesome right there. So, can we get lucky in another pack? Because I actually picked this one from the front of the box, and then I grabbed a pack that was in the middle of the box. So, here we go. Here is the next pack, first off the line edition, guys. Here we go. Cutting the seal now. Hopefully we get another hit. An autograph would be nice to add to the collection. So here we go, guys. Shane Bieber starts us off. We got a rookie card of Sixto Sanchez. That's nice. We got Honus Wagner. Really nice right there. I like that a lot. We got a Sherton Apostle rookie card. We got Joe Morgan. Looks like, what is this? That is like a little separator thing, but here we go. Check that out, guys. We got Fernando Tatis Jr. Gallery of Stars card. That's really nice right there, guys. Check that out. Really nice. Gallery of Stars. Alright, so like I said, that's kind of weird. That's like a blank card, like a little separator thing. It had me really thinking that was like a hit. We got Al Kaline. And the last one is going to be of Christian Pache, guys. Check that out. Debut Diamond Kings. That's really cool right there, man. I wish that had it as a rookie card mark on it, though. That's weird that it doesn't, but Christian Pache, that's really cool. I like that a lot right there, guys. That's going to be probably my second favorite one right there. Got a couple of rookie cards here, like we just showed, but that really threw me off. I was hoping that would be a card or an autograph or something, but it's actually just like a spacer, like it was meant to be a card, but it is definitely nothing on that right there, guys. So the best two I'm going to have to say, well, three actually I'm going to say, is that Fernando Tatis Jr. Gallery Stars card. That's really cool. I like that right there. Then we got the Christian Pache. But that right there is really cool. Paul Molitor Bat Kings card, guys. I always like getting a hit. And that card is awesome looking. Like, look at that, how clean. Like, Panini is doing really good, guys. And there is only 5 of these in the world. As you can see, it is stamped down right there. 5 of 5, guys. So, if you're a huge Paul Molitor fan, let me know down in the comments, guys. That is going to do it for this break video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. And I will see you in the next break. Have a wonderful week. Peace.